Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone supports iOS 18 and that you have at least the free storage the installer needs. Once confirmed, back up your device to iCloud or create an encrypted local backup with Finder or iTunes. This preserves passwords and health data. Make sure your phone is plugged into power or has more than 50% battery and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Now, open Settings to begin the download so the update can prepare in the background while you continue using the device. Once the download appears in Software Update, tap Download and install and follow prompts. You might need to enter your passcode to authorize. The device will verify the package and prepare the update. This can take several minutes depending on your connection and storage. If storage is low, temporarily offload large apps or transfer photos to iCloud. After verification, your iPhone schedules an install and reboots. Make sure it stays connected to power and Wi-Fi until the progress bar finishes and you return to the lock screen. After the reboot, complete the on-screen setup, sign into your Apple ID, enable any new privacy permissions, and opt into features you want. Then open the App Store to update apps for compatibility with iOS 18 and review settings like notifications and location to confirm they behave as expected. If the install fails or your iPhone becomes unresponsive, force restart first. If that doesn't help, enter recovery mode and restore via Finder or iTunes, then recover your backup to restore your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.